We are here now at BenCab Gallery. Yeah, that's the mural, and let's have a look. BenCab has 4 levels. That's the entrance level first, and then this one is the second. Then there are 2 more levels downstairs. The bottomest level is where the cafe is. We're doing the tour of the Philippine Contemporary Art Gallery here at BenCab. Ano, Ventura, one of the most expensive contemporary artists in Philippine art. This is the Bulol art installation, and they're still installing most of the art pieces here. Cafe Sabel here at BenCab Museum. This is the interior of Cafe Sabel. You order at the counter. It has a nice garden down there and a nice view of the mountain. We are about to enter the second tunnel to the hot springs. It's longer than the first one. And darker, of course. And there's always this a light at the end of the tunnel of the sea. We're a Sin Hot Spring Resort. So much for that. I think we'll just go back. Not much. Visiting Tam-awan village, the so-called garden in the sky. This is one of the traditional huts of the Igorot tribe. I don't know exactly which tribe. And this one is occupied. So let's go upstairs to see more. Another house up here. Here's a giant dream catcher. And wow, look at the sun. It catches the light. Right. Let's move on. Well, I've made it this far, and that's the entrance. That's the main building of Tam-awan down there. This is Joan of Arc from Tam-awan village. Oh my, Gulay indeed. As soon as you reach the 5th floor of this building, you are amazed by the transformation, because it's not just a building anymore. It's an art gallery. It's an experience, and you get to enter this amazing new world. Oh my, Gulay. And that's the name of this restaurant. Yep, another amazing find here, also by Kidlat Tahimik. Another amazing masterpiece of a restaurant. So it's not just the food, but also the place itself is such an amazing piece of artwork in its entirety. Come and visit the place, it's a must. Everything is a visual treat. It's art everywhere. I can't wait to taste our food. Even the toilet is art. Is Joan of Arc from Oh My Gulay, with breathtaking view of Baguio City. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye for now.